Alright, what's up guys? We're about to pick up a clearance here. Get our clearance taxi. Lewis ground, Skylane 2003 Romeo is at the FBO ramp with information Echo, ready to taxi. You would like to remain in the pattern for some full stop taxi backs.
5 Mike Charlie, roger. Skylane 2003 Romeo, Lewis ground, runway 2, taxi via Juliet Golf.
2 via Juliet Golf for 03 Romeo. So today we're flying the Skylane. We're just doing some laps of the pattern. I got a week off from training, and I want to get some practice in. I haven't flown in a while. I want to keep my flying skills sharp, especially in this airplane, because it's a little tougher airplane to fly. And this is, one of the 3 airplanes I will be flying, continuing now that I'm not working at Lewis University anymore. You guys see this probably well after training, because I don't have any time to even do any editing. All I've been doing is just studying for the written exam lately. So we'll try to get these out to you. If there's a big gap, like about a month or 2 in videos, that's why I didn't have any time to edit. Because these videos take a lot of time. A lot of time, a lot of effort. I don't really have a lot of time right now to, put into it. Just the videos of me holding my phone up to the window in the airplane going to, on the commercial flights, that's pretty easy to do. That's why you'll see some of those. But I've got, this will be the 3rd video I need to edit. Actually, maybe even the 4th video I need to edit. And Tower 03 Romeo is ready to go at 2.
03 Romeo, roger. Skylane 2003 Romeo, runway 2, left traffic, cleared for takeoff.
Left traffic, runway 2, clear for takeoff for 03 Romeo. Looking for 52, and then we're going to climb away at 78. Best glide is 70. Got good oil pressure.
And 8 Tango Hotel, runway 2, cleared touch and go.
8 Tango Hotel, runway 2, clear touch and go.
Skyx 5 Mike Charlie, make sure approach number 2, clear.
Good oil pressure, good oil temperature.
On final. Should approach
rotating.
2, clear touch and go for runway 2, 5 Mike Charlie.
78. Gas, undercarriage, we're going to close those cow flaps. Mixture, prop, pump seat
Skylane
filter
03
switches.
Romeo, runway 2, cleared to land, traffic left base to final closement.
Clear land runway 2, we got the traffic in sight for 03 Romeo. Bring it back to about 12 inches, carbine's coming out. First notch of flaps is 110.
Sky K Tango Hotel, traffic, you're following the Skylane ahead of you in the downwind.
Info traffic, 8 Tango Hotel.
First notch.
Traffic in sight, follow traffic, 238 Tango Hotel.
8 Tango Hotel, thank you. Yes, follow that traffic, runway 2, number 2, cleared, touch and go.
Runway 2, number 2, clear touch and go, 8 Tango Hotel.
There's 20 degrees, that's where the air brakes really will come in. Props comes full forward. That'll help with the drag as well. Throttle was 75 knots on final here, a little high. Power back to about 12 inches again. Keeps creeping forward on me. Do 30 degree flaps today because I can't seem to get down. For clear land, runway 2. There's the airspeed I was looking for. We're clear to land. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Skyline 03 Romeo, right next taxiway, runway 2, taxi via Golf.
Right on hotel, right on golf for runway 2, 03 Romeo. Alright. That one, I really was having a hard time with the speed there. We got a little fast on the downwind, and then I couldn't get recovered from there until we were on short funnel pretty much. But that's why I'm going flying, is because I'm a little rusty. I need to make sure I'm staying ahead of the airplane, especially because of the airplane I will be flying. It's going to be moving pretty fast, but there'll be two of us, so hopefully it'll be a little better. Tower 03 Romeo's hold short runway 2, ready to go, requesting a short delay on the runway.
Skylane 03 Romeo, runway 2, left traffic, cleared for takeoff, short delay approved.
Runway 2, left traffic, 03 Romeo. Yeah. Alright, so this thing is going to be rocketing out of here. Full power's coming in. Releasing. There's 52. And we're clear. Pushing down. That was fun. That was cool. Above 60, first notch up. Follow them up. Alright, final, we're clear for the option. We're high, 40 degrees flaps. It is in. Gonna start putting that trim in. I know I'm gonna need it. Flaps are 40. Gonna go for the numbers. There's the stop. Alright, not bad. 3-pointer, but I'll take it.
Skyline 03 Romeo, you can make a right next taxiway, runway 2, taxi via Golf.
Right on hotel, right on golf, taxi, runway 2, via golf for 03 Romeo. Tower, Skyline 2003 Romeo, hold short, runway 2, ready to go.
Skyline 2003 Romeo, runway 2, left or right traffic, cleared for takeoff.
Left traffic, runway 2, clear for takeoff, 03 Romeo. 10. Now we're climbing away already. Jesus Christ, this airplane is insane. Flaps up. I cannot believe the power this airplane has. There's the end of the runway, 200 to go, 20 inches. Not too much now, because that's going to make me climb. Come on, become closed.
Skyline 03 Romeo, runway 2, clear to land.
Runway 2 clear land, 03 Romeo. Gas, undercarriage mixture, prop. Seatbelt switches. Below 110, first notch. Coming in. We're climbing, unfortunately, but that means I'm also within the white arc, so I can put a second notch in. That'll help me. Throttle really likes to go forward. Base. There's 30. We're clear land, runway 2. That's full flaps. Oh, this is a much nicer approach. A little fast, but we'll bleed that off, actually. I'm going for the numbers again. Looking for about 60 knots. Trim is full. A little fast. Nice.
Skyline 03 Romeo, right next taxiway, runway 2, taxi via Golf.
Right next taxiway, runway 2, taxi via Golf for 03 Romeo. I think I'm going to try Power 180. It's warm enough, right? Yeah, it's 45 degrees. So, yeah, this airplane has a lot of temperature constraints, but we are warm enough for Power 180. I am going to ask for one. Tower, Skylane 2003 Romeo, hold short runway 2, right for departure. Like to request a short approach and a short delay on the runway.
Skylane 2003 Romeo, Lewis Tower, all of that is approved. Runway 2, left or right traffic cleared for takeoff.
Left traffic, runway 2, clear for takeoff for 03 Romeo. And 20 degrees of flaps. So you're lined up here. Come to a full stop. Ready. Putting the power in. Alright, good oil pressure, good oil temperature, releasing. Looking for 52. Climbing at 52. Now we're clear. Looking for 70 knots. There's all the way nose up trim. Let's start turning. Tower 03 Romeo is on the base.
Skylane 03 Romeo, runway 2, cleared for the option.
Runway 2 clear for the option, 03 Romeo. A little high. Actually, I'm not going to put anything in. Maybe flaps 1. Or first notch, I should say. 10 degrees. That was a mistake. I'm going to be short. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. Okay, I'm going to try to stretch it. Oh, I got energy. I'll make it. Not too much. Nice.
Skylane 03 Romeo, right next taxiway, runway 2, taxi via Golf.
Right on Juliet, right on Golf for runway 2, 03 Romeo.